name is Chris. I'm your seer, and today we're going to have a tutorial demonstration on how to insert a cannula. Okay, before I start, my experience is 17 years in nursing. Okay, Miss Ina, tell me about your experience.
My experience is 1 year in dental.
Okay, how about you, Miss Hannah?
My experience, 2 years in the ward.
Okay, so now let's practice what is the proper insertion of the cannula. Let's start first with Ina.
Listen ko lang ako mag-isip.
Okay.
Dahil hindi ko siya tinanong.
Okay, so let's finish. And please remove the cannula now. Please remove the cannula. Remove all, including the tourniquet. Okay. Miss Hannah, can you show us what's your experience in the ward on how to insert the ideal practice of cannula insertion?
So first, do the hand
Hand
hygiene.
hygiene.
And then,
Give me the hand hygiene as solution. And then, second step.
second step, introduce yourself to the patient and explain the procedure to be done.
You need to identify the patient first.
Yes, identify
Yes,
the patient.
excellent. Okay, next.
Then, prepare, we'll fight for the pain. We'll start to apply the tourniquet.
Okay, good.
Then, we
Then,
start to find
this is what you call assessment, right?
Assessment.
Very good.
Then, if you find, then hand hygiene again, then
Okay.
you can wear gloves. And we will now clean the area, disinfect. Then, insert now.
Mashallah, nice.
And you can now remove
Okay.
and secure the cannula.
Yes. Okay, that's all. So, as you can see, we have two practice. Okay, finish na natin. Remove your gloves. So, what is our principles behind? So, we are explaining the concept of novice to expert. No? As you can see, the two practice. The first practice was come from the novice staff, wherein she came from dental department. No, on that area, they are not practicing well the insertion of the cannula. On the other hand, Miss Hannah is the one experienced in work. She is able to demonstrate properly and adequately trained practice on how to insert the